have seen getting into a restaurant business, it's huge expense because you need to have the infrastructure, you need to have an amazing interior, you need to have that many staffings, and the investment is a lot more. But when you flow into this new concept, everything is very much minimized. Hi, I'm Vincy. This video is very quick video. Why? Because I was just having my lunch today afternoon and then I was just wondering how many delivery guys are over our lobby. That gave me a clear insight that people are more into online ordering. Because if you see the current trend of Dubai, if you are a resident of Dubai, you might have seen a couple of years back, it's hard to find a bike delivery guy in the street. Now, if you see, each and every corner is filled with a bike delivery person. Have you ever wondered why is it so? Now, a clear clarity for that is like most people are depending on online applications to order the food or FMCG products or maybe any household products or any electronics too. So that gives a clear idea that Dubai is really booming with the new technologies, the online applications, the online business partners. Now, talking in the business aspect, what I found here is like most of the people in my office or across the street are depending on online applications to choose their like FMCG product or the lunch or the dinner or however it is. So how quick the deliveries? Where are these people collecting these foods? And do you really found that many restaurants in Dubai? I don't think so. So then where is it from? So there arises the concept of cloud kitchen. And that gives a clear clarity how minimize the cost of forming a restaurant. Because you might have seen getting into a restaurant business, it's huge expense because you need to have the infrastructure, you need to have an amazing interior, you need to have that many staffings, and the investment is a lot more. But when you flow into this new concept, everything is very much minimized. People go into online applications where all the cuisines are mentioned online. You can choose it. You don't even know from which restaurant it is delivered, or sometimes the brand is mentioned. And that gives a clear insight. Cloud kitchen are more in Dubai now. So now you will be wondering what is cloud kitchen. Cloud kitchen is a concept. It's not very new, but it's already in the market for some long. But then the trend is booming so much now, and that's the reason you can see a lot of delivery guys on the street. Cloud kitchen is something which minimize the cost of putting up a food restaurant or any sort of cuisines. So how they work is like they will be opting a premises in a shared premises where they will have multiple kitchens over there, and then they just rent out the premises, which minimize the cost of getting the individual premises. Now the other important fact is like you don't want to have more staffing in this. You may have one or two chefs inside the kitchen wherein you don't have any serving area, so you don't want any serving people, you don't want anybody to clean the premises and all. And the other important fact is like all these things happens online. So if you're having an amazing platform wherein it can be an Instagram or Facebook or even on website, and you showcase all the cuisines in a nice way, how nice your social media, how nicely you place your cuisines, that's how you get your customer. Just think of yourself as a customer. How you normally order a food? Myself, you asked me today, I just looked into Talabat and I just saw multiple cuisines. Some picture attracted me, rather the other didn't attract me, but maybe the food is more tastier than the other one. So online is all about how nicely you present it, how nicely you take your application to. So after delivering the product, maybe you like the cuisine, maybe not, but how we choose, it's all how they present it. So similarly, I just ordered a food and then I came to know how potential this is, because there are a lot of business associated in that. There are a lot of people associated in delivery. There are n number of channel partners for delivery. There are n number of restaurants associated with that. There are middle branding who just take foods from these multiple restaurants and brand it on their own name and then deliver with a third party delivery. What is interesting in this is like you need to understand what is your passion. If you're so passionate about any of these particular areas, say you're so much concerned of marketing aspect, just be a channel partner of these cuisines. Or if you're so much interested of cloud kitchen, then you can go into the legality of forming a cloud kitchen, not exactly like a restaurant. This is the area where most of my clients or my friends had made mistake in the past, because people just call the term cloud kitchen. Cloud kitchen is actually taken by real estate team who is planning to share their premises to multiple cuisines or multiple kitchen area. But if you're planning to cook the food, then you will have to go for an activity called Banggood Kitchen by renting this cloud kitchen from a third party. And then get into a good marketing team where they can showcase all your cuisines online. Go into the intellectual property, because I have seen a lot of people just with a single cuisine or just with a single kitchen, they are having multiple brands. So even brand speaks. When you look into the online applications, you might be ordering a pizza looking into the brand. Now you might order it from Pizza Hut. There is another platform or another brand for pizza. So with the brand, you may choose the same product from different aspects. Likewise, what you need to understand is, like, you need to understand the potential of the market, understand the right area, understand the right current cuisine that is ordered by most of the people in the market, and then choose the area. If it is more into JLT, or if it's more into Al Quoz area, or if your cuisine falls into another side of Dubai, then you can choose a free zone or mainland, and then you can look into the rules and regulations of that free zone or the mainland rules. Get the approvals from the department, because it's some, if you're planning to start a cloud kitchen, I mean the Banggood Kitchen, then you need to look into a much more of the legal rules. Why? Because it's food, and you should go with the health safety. You should go with the health safety approvals, municipality approval. There will be fire extinguishing approvals, the Dubai civil defense approval. So these are the approvals that you will have to look into when you go with a cloud kitchen or a Banggood Kitchen concept. But if you are into online marketing, these approvals are not going to affect you. You can simply form a mainland or free zone company, which is very minimal cost, and brand it to yourself. With this, I would like to conclude this video. I had put a lot of information. If you want to know more about any particular topic from this session, please comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you.